Raiders Arena, tonight's game between the North Atlanta Warriors and your Northside Raiders. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise in honor of the nation's colors are being presented by the War Forsyth Marine Corps Junior Reserve Officer Training Corps Color Guard. The Color Sergeant carrying the nation's colors, Cadet Staff Sergeant Jeremy Johnson. The Marine Corps colors are carried by Cadet Sergeant Clayton Gomez. The left rifleman is Cadet Private First Class Kennedy Hennessy. The right rifleman is Cadet Corporal Gabriel Rodriguez. After the anthem, we ask that you please remain standing until the colors are retired.